Hey, so we are at GitHub Field Day Toronto. This is the first time it's happening in Canada, and Juan has some great advice.
Hey everyone, Juan here from the GitHub Education team. Today we're here at GitHub Field Day, which is a one-day conference where we bring the student community leaders from all across Canada to talk about some of the challenges, struggles, tips and tricks to organize hackathons, events, workshops within their communities. And the whole idea is to bring the community and have them take over the event. It's much more of an conference, which means that students will take over of the topics. We don't give them any specific topic. They decide what's going to be like the most important things on their agenda of the day. And we bring them all together to have discussions about them. So they all have an opportunity to talk about the things that might be struggling, but also how they are solving those struggles and what's some of the best advice that they have got from other people to run those events.
I'm Nikki. I am a GitHub Campus Expert, and I come from the University of Prince Edward Island in Charlottetown, PEI in Canada. It's really shocking how Field Day came to be. I had just gotten accepted on June. I finally got in, finished all my modules, and then I was really tired and I wrote a suggestion thread. And I even made the suggestion like tag, and I was like, all right, so how about we set up a field day in Canada? And then everybody was just like, yeah, let's do it. And I was like, what? It's like, yeah, let's do it. You know what? Excellent idea, Nikki. Make it happen. So I'm like, I guess I am. So I've been slaving around, and then Forrest joined me, Josh joined me, Rashid and Atab came in later on, Larry as well. And Juan has just been all around, and I am so happy that my hard work paid off finally. It went better than I ever thought it would go. And this is also my first proper field day as well. So the fact that this is not only my first field day that I'm attending, but also the one that I'm organizing was just so, it was so wild. It's like, I'm trying not to cry. It's insane. It's insane how well this went. And I'm just incredibly happy it actually worked out in the end.
We are
GitHub Education!
So how was the GitHub Field Day for you?
It was amazing. The best part was meeting you.
Okay.
Because I finally, it's different to meet someone who shares a passion for technology and social media in person versus online. This was my first in-person experience with a person like that. So yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I found the event to be really cool. This is the first time I think it's happening in Toronto, in Canada. So it was really cool. Okay, I have some trivia questions for you. Are you ready? Okay. Do you know when GitHub was founded?
No.
Okay, do you want me to give you some options?
Sure.
Okay, 2006,
Okay.
2004,
Okay.
and 2008.
2006.
Okay, it was 2008.
Oh my God, really? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, another question. Do you know when Microsoft acquired GitHub?
No.
Okay, some options. 2014, 16, or 18?
16? Don't tell me it's 18.
Close, it's 18.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And which one of these is not a programming language? So you have Pascal, you have Basic, you have Laser. Okay, you have those three.
Number 2.
So you said Basic is not a programming language?
Yes.
Okay, it is.
Okay.
So Laser was the answer. Laser is not a programming language. It's just a made up one that I choose.
It's a good made up.
Yeah. When I looked it up, I was like, okay, Laser is a programming language, but it is not.
I see.
Cool. Thanks for being on the video. And
Thank you for having me. I'm going to watch and like and subscribe and do everything.
I'm Joash.
Okay.
Sohail Singh Bains.
Heto Pandya.
I'm Rishit.
Okay, and all of them are GitHub Campus Experts. They helped organize the amazing event we had at the Toronto Microsoft office, GitHub Field Days. It was awesome. Thank you to the amazing team. I have some CS questions or trivia. It won't be hard. I only have 3 questions. I don't know if you want to vote on the answers together, and then we can kind of see. Okay, cool. Okay, so the first question is, when was GitHub founded? So 2004, 2006, 2007, or 2008?
2004.
No, I'm not.
Because you're sure about 2005 before, so that's closer, right?
Okay, I don't know. I just would.
See, okay, I'd say 2004 or 6. Because he can't be that off, right? So from 4 and 6, do we have any other reference?
Not
Anything?
really, no.
No?
No.
Let's choose one thing. I say 4 because he chose 4. That's
Let's go with that.
Okay.
If it's wrong, then it's fine. We know how to.
Okay. It was 2008.
Oh,
So you're way off by 4 years.
He gave us a long
Okay.
Not on you. At least
Now we know that Microsoft has acquired GitHub. Do you know when did that happen?
that was pretty recent.
2 years back.
2 years, so that's
2018 or 2019?
2021.
I think 2019.
19?
Yeah.
Wait. So
2018.
No, it shouldn't be that. I think it's 19.
Okay, 219, 118.
I think it's 19.
I think it was 19.
I think it's 19.
Three versus 1.
It wasn't when the time when I wasn't in university. So 2019.
Yeah, I think so. Let's go with that.
19.
19.
Okay, he was right. It was 2018. He knew the answer because he saw my interview with someone.
Oh, okay. So you're cheating.
But I give him the points because of him being honest and not saying I know the answer.
Alright, no worries.
Okay, last one I have.
Got to nail this one. Don't ask
This one
anything,
is.
answer
This one
better.
is.
History
how
is
to
not a
traverse
strong
depth
point.
first?
You'll know that. I could ask you what is SQL. You would know that. But these are some facts about GitHub,
Okay, cool.
and you're campus experts.
We know how to, all the features, but
We know how to run a campus. We don't know about
He gives us a CLI.
I wanted to make it fun, right? So
Makes sense.
now I have is which one of these is not a programming language?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I got it, that's one.
Okay, this is okay. Cool. First is basic. Second is
Definitely.
Fortran. Third is Laser. 4 is Pascal.
Laser.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Yeah, I
you're
haven't
smart.
heard of
You're
laser
smart.
anyway. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for participating in this trivia. I have some Twilio stickers that I'll give you.
Thank you.
I know. Do you love stickers?
Yes.
Okay, cool, awesome. How do you feel about the event? Like, would you count it as a success? Some things that could be improved, or was it just fine as it was?
So for sure it was a success, but no event is perfect, right? You always have things to improve upon. And this was the first field day in Canada. So on that note, I really enjoyed it and we feel like it was great.
Okay.
But for the upcoming events, there are a lot of things we can include in this and a lot of things we can improve upon. And it's an ongoing process, but it's fun along the way.
Awesome.
Any event where even one person learns something new, makes the best use of his time is a success for me. So this was a huge success.
Awesome. Any last words?
I just completely agree with everything they said.
Awesome.
That's fun.
Thank you so much.